There are 4 bajillion children's ministry conferences out there. I checked. And if you're a children's leader staring slack-jawed at all the options, not wanting to misuse your limited budget on the wrong one, let me tell you about Ignite. We started 12 years ago when a small group of children's pastors decided they needed an intimate gathering of like-minded people to rest together, grow together, and share wisdom and insights. Since then, Ignite has grown, but its core tenets have remained the same. Sabbath. What's one mantra of children's leaders everywhere? Well, let's see. There's quit calling us babysitters, and there's come pick up your children, service has been over for 45 minutes. But I'm not talking about those. How about this one? Sunday is always coming. Sunday is right around the corner. We're always producing, planning events, writing sermons, adjusting curriculum, connecting with kids and parents and volunteers. Children's leaders are in great need of Sabbath, time to rest, time to be pampered, time for a change of scenery, time to clock out of the weekly ministry grind. Going to a conference can often provide this, but Ignite embraces it. The conference is held at the Intercontinental Hotel in Kansas City, sitting right on the Country Club Plaza. We embrace the need for Sabbath in Ignite's schedule. Think of Ignite not just as a conference, but also as a ministry retreat. Sabbath is key. Training. We are a small conference that brings big conference quality. Our speakers in the past have been many of the same voices at other leading conferences, but in a more intimate setting. And this year, we are thrilled with our lineup. Dr. Robbie Castleman is the author of the brilliant Parenting in the Pew. Stephen James is a master storyteller. Tim Suttle will stretch your thinking in uncomfortable but necessary ways. Dr. Gustavo Crocker brings a global perspective to our conversation about disenfranchised kids. Because we keep it intentionally small, the training conversations are more intimate and in-depth. There's more of a chance for one-on-one with the presenters and more opportunities for questions and more focus on your specific needs. Support. You will leave Ignite feeling a network of support like you've never felt before. Those who have come back year after year liken it to a family reunion. The strong collegiality built at Ignite cannot be replicated at a huge conference. Come to be heard. You won't get lost in the shuffle of 2,000 children's pastors. You'll get all the personal support a huge conference can't give without sacrificing any of the quality. Even the workshops and the general sessions feel more supportive because you get to know the people to your right and to your left. Everything you're learning with your Ignite family. Come for the Sabbath. Come for the training. Come for the support. Join us at Ignite and feel like you're coming home.